Hi everyone, I wanted to show you Dolooma's just-in-time videos for the tow truck drivers where the right information is available right at their fingertips as they need to learn more about how to perform a certain function based on the job. So let me start out by showing you creating a new job request within the Dolooma system. So I'm going to select Rivian. I'm going to give it a REV1234. I'm going to pick a form of payment of cash. Let's just say it's $200. Then I'm going to come up here and say, okay, my driver is Frank Pontarello. You can see the truck is already automatically identified. I'm going to take 501 D Street, and then I'm going to have a drop-off location of 501 Browning Lane in Gearhart. Leave all of these else blank. Let's pick Robert as my client. Smith. The phone number is 555. And then here's my VIN number that I'm going to be using. There's Rivian R West 2023. For service, I'm going to pick low mileage jumpstart, and that's all I'm going to do, and I'm going to just save it. Once I save this information, you will see it shows up on the job board as a request that needs to be taken, any action needs to be taken around it. So when I select it, you will see all the details around, the locations and so forth, gives you more information around it. As we come down beneath the payment information, you will see it's an area called driver service education. Now, if I wanted to preview that, so if I did not know anything about low voltage jumpstart for Rivian, I click on preview, I click on play.
So the first thing we're going to talk about in the R1S is everyone's favorite subject. What to do when you have to get in the vehicle and the 12 volt's dead. I'm going to admit this is a little bit involved. This is not easy.
So let me pause here. And then let's just say I wanted to hear that in a different language. And I want to show you how fast all of this stuff is and how we update it, and it is really literally based on the language of the operating system and the driver's app, or in my case in my browser. So if I select Hindi, you'll see everything just translated to Hindi, and now if I were to select preview, you will hear it all in Hindi.
तो पहली चीज जो हम R1S में बात करने जा रहे हैं वह है सबका पसंदीदा विषय। जब आपको वाहन में बैठना पड़े और 12 वोल्ट की बैटरी खत्म हो जाए तो क्या करें? मैं मानता हूं कि ये थोड़ा जटिल है, ये आसान नहीं है।
So let's just say the person, your driver, happens to be Canadian French, and you want to now see it in Canadian French. So notice everything just changed to Canadian French, and when I click preview, I press play.
Donc la première chose dont nous allons parler dans le R1S est le sujet préféré de tout le monde. Que faire quand vous devez entrer dans le véhicule et que la batterie 12 volts est à plat? Je vais admettre que c'est un peu compliqué, ce n'est pas facile. Il faut juste être patient, passer par toutes les étapes.
You notice that was in Canadian French. Let's just change the language to Spanish. And when I come down here, you notice everything just changed to Spanish, and let's preview one more time and press play.
Así que lo primero de lo que vamos a hablar en el R1S es el tema favorito de todos. ¿Qué hacer cuando tienes que entrar en el vehículo y la batería de 12 voltios está muerta? Voy a admitir que esto es un poco complicado.
As you can see, based on the language, your training session for the activity related to performing that function, that video snippet automatically changes to the preferred language of that driver or a web user. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Talk to you soon.